Here I've got Huawei MediaPad T5 and let me show you how to activate battery saver on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select battery, and here you will notice power saving mode icon. So simply tap on this switcher to activate low power solution. As you can see, this saving mode will limit background app activity, it will disable email autosync and sound system, and it will also reduce visual effects to save power. I would like to enable it, so from now on your device will definitely work way longer. Then if you would like to switch off this mode, simply tap on the same switcher one more time, and now we are back in the standard mode. So that's basically all. This is how you can activate your power saving mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.